Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep, quite literally, into the world of entrepreneurship as we explore the incredible possibilities of setting up a business using underwater drones. These profitable businesses have been on the rise in recent years and have seen small companies generate between $100,000 and $250,000 in revenue, with larger organizations generating several $1 million annually. So stay tuned and hear how you could turn an underwater drone business into a success. Imagine the vast and uncharted depths of the ocean, the mysteries that lie beneath the waves. Now imagine turning that fascination into a thriving business venture. In recent years, the fascination with the ocean's mysteries has grown exponentially, fueled by increased awareness of marine conservation and the desire to explore the unknown. This surge of interest has created a significant demand for innovative solutions to uncover the secrets hidden beneath the waves. Enter the world of underwater drone businesses, an emerging industry that is riding the wave of this global fascination. But why is this industry gaining traction now? Well, advancements in technology have made it more accessible and affordable to explore the depths of the ocean. With improved underwater drone capabilities, including enhanced maneuverability, high-definition cameras, and advanced data collection tools, individuals and organizations are now able to delve deeper into underwater exploration than ever before. Moreover, the applications of underwater drones are diverse and far-reaching, ranging from marine research and environmental monitoring to underwater filmmaking and infrastructure inspection. This versatility has sparked the interest of not just scientists and researchers, but also adventure enthusiasts, filmmakers, and businesses seeking innovative solutions for various underwater challenges. We've done some research and seen that businesses offering high-quality underwater drone hire and piloting can charge nearly $2,000 a day. These types of contracts obviously take time built up, however. If you have the patience to become a high-level pilot, the earning potential is endless. If piloting isn't your thing, we've also seen companies who only hire out underwater drones to other individuals making around $200 per day per drone hire. This could obviously be scaled with multiple drones being rented at the same time to maximize profits. So, how can you start your underwater drone business? Well, we're about to take you on a journey through the steps to make your dream a reality, and we'll dive into the potential costs involved. Remember, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Step 1. Market research. It all begins with understanding your target audience. Who needs underwater drone services? Is it marine biologists, treasure hunters, environmental researchers, or the recreational diving community? By identifying your niche, you can tailor your offerings accordingly. Market research costs typically include surveys, data collection, and analysis, which can range from a few hundred to a few $1,000s. Step 2. Building a business plan. This document will be your roadmap to success and should include financial projections. This is where you'll outline your budget, anticipated revenue, and expenses, setting the stage for financial success. Creating a business plan should hopefully save you time and money in the long term, but also making it easier to pitch for funding from investors. Step 3. Equipment and training. To run a successful underwater drone business, you'll need the right gear. This includes high-quality drones, cameras, and navigation systems. Entry-level underwater drones can cost from $1,000 to $5,000, while more advanced models can go well beyond that. Training your crew to handle the technical aspects of underwater drones can also cost a few $1,000s, depending on the level of expertise needed. Factor in maintenance costs too, as keeping your equipment in top shape is crucial. Step 4. Legal requirements. Operating in the underwater world comes with rules and regulations. Ensure you have all the necessary permits and licenses to operate your business legally. Legal costs can vary widely depending on your location, but budgeting for legal fees and permits is crucial. It's a step you can't afford to skip. Step 5. Marketing and promotion. Get your business out there. Developing an online presence and marketing strategy can cost anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s, depending on your approach. Consider website development, search engine optimization, and advertising as part of your budget. Marketing is your lifeline to customers. Step 6. Building partnerships. Collaborating with other organizations may require some investment, but it can also bring in revenue. Costs here will vary depending on the nature and scope of the partnerships you pursue. However, it's often a worthwhile investment as it can expand your reach and provide access to a broader customer base. Step 7. Continuous innovation. Staying at the forefront of underwater drone technology means budgeting for regular equipment upgrades and research and development costs. Be prepared for ongoing expenses in this area. Embracing innovation is what will set you apart from the competition and keep your services in demand. Now, when you add up all these costs, it's clear that starting an underwater drone business isn't a small undertaking. However, it's essential to keep in mind that these costs are investments in your future. Proper planning and budgeting are key to ensuring your business's long-term success. As you embark on this journey, you may also want to explore potential sources of funding. This could include personal savings, loans, grants, or even seeking out investors who share your passion for underwater exploration. Being resourceful and adaptable in your approach to financing can make a significant difference. It's also worth noting that your business costs can vary greatly depending on your specific business model and location. For instance, if your underwater drone business is focused on touristic adventures in a tropical destination, your costs may differ from a business providing underwater survey services in a colder climate. Beyond the direct expenses we've discussed, there are other costs to consider, such as insurance to protect your equipment and business liability. Additionally, don't forget to account for ongoing operational costs, including salaries, maintenance, and office space if needed. One cost-saving strategy is to consider starting on a smaller scale and gradually expanding as your business grows. This approach can help manage initial expenses and reduce the financial risk associated with launching a new venture. In conclusion, the allure of starting an underwater drone business is undeniable, with the promise of exploring the ocean's hidden wonders and making a living doing so. However, the path to success in this field requires careful planning, investment, and dedication. It's crucial to be aware of the costs involved and to budget wisely. Remember that each step in your journey, from market research to continuous innovation, plays a vital role in your business's long-term success. As you plan, budget, and execute your vision, you'll be well on your way to making a splash in the world of underwater drone business. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more business tips and adventures beneath the waves. See you next time, and happy droning!